Adam meant so much to me. We shared many of our closest moments together growing up, whether it was secondary school or college, or whether it was hardships. We got each other through those things. And the reason I'm doing this is because Adam constantly called out for help in the various hardships that he was faced with, and ultimately he was failed by our health system. And I don't want another young person like Adam to have to go through this again. I wasn't able to save him, but I want this to be able to save somebody else. I believe it's important to tell Adam's story because he had so much to offer to this world. He was only starting out really on his life. He was a highly intelligent man. Throughout secondary school, throughout college, he surpassed most people. He was never allowed an opportunity to just live a normal, fruitful life. At every opportunity, barriers presented themselves, but he navigated them the correct way, the way the authorities tell him to. But ultimately, he believed that he could find sanctuary in a hospital when he didn't trust his own decisions. They weren't there for him. And there's many other people before him and after him who will be in that situation, who feel that the hospital and the health service and the mental health facilities are not there for them. And I need to make sure that people remember Adam and they associate Adam with a change so that nobody ever has to go through this again.